Hello.
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 Em chết.
So it's 5:20 in the morning here, and we're seeing the market before it's all open for today. So all the fish are currently alive.
Hello everyone. Have a nice day. I'm Brian, and I'm the tour guide for Christian and Emma today. I'm from Cacao City, not from here. Like I've been living here for 4 years. Now we're going to discover the Mekong Delta. We have a lot of stuff to show you today. Hope you like it. Like and share.
Awesome.
Okay.
Gonna have a great day today.
At that time we don't have too many road for us like trading. So yeah, we build a market. This is the main way for us for trading. But nowadays it's also for trading but also for tourism. So the Cai Rang Floating Market is the oldest one and also the biggest one here in Mekong Delta. And some people say around the year 2030 or 2040 the floating market will be all disappear.
Alright, so we're on our way to the Cai Rang Floating Market. Should be there in about 10 minutes.
Thank you. Thank you, come on.
Oh my gosh. This is amazing.
These are the floating houses where the people who doesn't have enough money to afford land, so government let them stay here and build a house on the boat. You can see it. Yeah.
So what do they do for work? Do these people typically work in the village?
Yeah, maybe. Some will in the floating market, some like fishermen.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how much do you think like a fisherman makes?
I'm not sure, but it's not much. Yeah, we can have it later.
Coming up to a boat full of pineapples.
So you can see here, almost every boat has a long stick. We call it Cai Rang. It's a way for people here to like they don't get to sell the product. They just hang their products on a stick, and people come here, they will know what to sell.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So you can spot it from a distance.
Yes,
You can say that's where the
true.
radishes are, or the beets.
Yeah.
Now we're at a boat that sells noodles, and that's what we're gonna have for breakfast. Noodle soup for breakfast.
Okay, she and her husband divorced. She have like a son, but he like do bad thing and have a lot of debt. So now she has to work to pay for it.
Oh wow, so she's paying her son's debt for this?
Yeah, so like every day she work, but it's never enough.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Tài này có nhiều dầm dầm, có ăn nha Tài, hôm trước sống đánh
Amazing.
Here for you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
bữa nay đó làm biếng mà làm mà gà con ấy bữa nay con bệnh con làm biếng
Yeah. So good.
Delicious.
nổi làm gì chịu cũng nói chuyện hả
Thanks.
The rice paper, the already dried. See, it's very tough.
Oh.
Because of the
Wow.
tapioca.
tapioca and water tapioca is only 20% and the water
Rồi,
rồi đây cho nó luôn đây con lấy luôn
nóng nha, nóng nha, nóng nha. Lấy cái dĩa lại.
like plastic so after year they have to balance the amount of food right this one is the ashmore fertilizer planting yeah so everything is yours
That's very cool.
so after they make rice paper they put it on the bamboo bed and bring it outside very dry.
So he is the owner, and you see his wife. They made it. They have been doing it for 37 years. Yeah, Can Tho. Slowly. Slowly, perfect.
Nice, Shams.
Yeah. So we bring over here to dry it. It took around 3 to 4 hours to dry. So around 12 p.m. it's gonna be all over.
Take a video of it? Yep. Get it. Oh,
Emma here.
it's coming through.
She's very strong. Yeah, catching noodles.
Nè, dặn cái đó không?
Almost. There we go. Nice.
Video hả?
Video.
Ok, ok.
Hello, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome mình hơn.
Ở dưới secondary school.
Turn the camera around and say hello.
Hello. Sawadika.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Oh my God, you're so beautiful.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Okay, wanna wait.
Oh my god, this is so.
So that's what it said on that.
At first, he had 300 trees. Yeah, and around here, the people also planted cacao trees. But in 1963, the war happened, so the people don't know what to do with the cacao tree. So they cut all cacao tree. But here, Mr. Bean's father didn't do that. Sometimes he will make around 1 liter of cacao wine, so he just made it for the visitor, not to sell for anyone. Yeah, he can sell to the visitor too. Let's try it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Một hai ba yo, as a Vietnamese would say.
How do you say it?
Một hai ba yo.
Một, hai, ba, yo.
Yeah.
So we're now taking a walk through the cacao farm after trying some fresh, what was it, cacao fruit?
It was actually really good. Yeah, so I actually didn't know that. I knew cacao beans, that's where chocolate comes from, but I didn't know that it was actually from a fruit. So if you break open the fruit, there's little capsules and you can eat them. You're supposed to spit out the bean because it's bitter.
This is what the cacao tree looks like. This is the fruit. You crack it open and the cacao beans will be inside. So this one isn't ready.
He chop it open to remove the seed inside, and he will cover this up with banana leaf. Yeah, and put the seed inside. Also cover it with the banana leaf because it will make the fermentation become faster. Yeah, for 1 week. After that, we collect the yeast and should get to make the cacao while I said before. Yeah, and what we're gonna do with the fermented beans, we bring it over here. Okay, this is the fermented beans. Bring it over here, and dry it. It took 4 to 5 days to do that. So after that, we already dry the cacao bean. We bring over here, everyone. We use this machine. This machine is supposedly used for roasted coffee, but here he used to roast the cacao beans. Yeah, he would spin the wheel. The temperature had to be around 150 to 200 degrees Celsius. It took around 40 minutes to 1 hour. Yeah. So after we roast it, we bring over here to cool down by the fan over there. So he will put the roasted beans in here, and the shell will be cracked open. Yeah, all over here. This is the bag he used to collect the liquid cacao. Then he put it in here. He used the lip tongue to push it, and the butter will come out. And it's very hard to separate the butters. You need to be very strong and take a long time. So he used it against this. It made the process become faster, more convenient. So the butter will come out here. Yeah, at first it would be the liquid, but after 1 night it will become the strong texture like rock.
All right, so that concludes our day exploring the Mekong Delta with our wonderful guide Brian. I want to thank you for everything.
Thank you for everything too. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, goodbye everyone. Like and subscribe to his channel.
Yep.
He's a great guy.
Thank you. Come on.
Come on.